Hi friends, today my project is a linear regression with one variable only. It is a basic project, is a beginner level project on Sparks internship. Uh, First of all, I import the different libraries in my notebook, whatever it needed to maintain data set and to manipulate the data frame. And for that I import the pandas with the alias name pd and import numpy as the np as the alias name, and import matplotlib dot pyplot as a plt, import cborn as a sns. Finally matplotlib and cborn both are the visualization libraries. Numpy is the numpy and pandas are used to manipulate the data frame. And for this project I have to read the data. They provided a url to read the data. I mentioned the url with a variable of url. Then after I use the pandas to read that url as a csv. And then I see df.head. I use df.head to see structure of data and what are the variables, first five variables in the data. In that data there are uh, in the data there are two variables are there. One is the dependent, another one is the independent variable. And then after I plot the both variables. I use the scatter plot to understand the relationship between two variables. Here we can see it is the both are positive relation. That means positive linear relation. For that we can use the linear regression. And first of all, I prepare the data, which means I divided the data as a x and y. X means the independent variable, y means the dependent variable. With the help of these x and y I use different models, and I apply different models on x and y. Here, the my shape we can see my shape x dot shape here 25 comma 1 is my it is the shape of my data x data, and this is the entire x we can see here. Then after I use model selection from sklearn dot model selection. For that import train test split. It is split the x and y into two factors: test data and train data. Train data is used to train the algorithm, and test data is used to evaluate the data, evaluate our algorithm and evaluate our model. For this train, first of all we train the algorithm. For that we import the linear model from linear regression. For we regressor dot fit uh, and x train and y train used to train the data. Then after we see the coefficient line. Coefficient lines means x coefficient and regressor intercept. For this we can see the best fit line in between that. This is the best fit line. We can plot this like this. And for then after we make the predictions. Print x test is the this array, and then we predict the x test as a values, different values, and predicting the we predicted the scores. And then after uh, we comparing the actual values and predicted values, we can see this. Then after you can also we can also predict our own data. Means in our project they ask for 9.2 hours how much the score. Then why I used the 9.2 hours, 9.25 hours to predict this as a 93.69 is a score. If we you study 9.2 hours we can get this score. With the help of linear model we can get this score. I predicted the 9.25. Evaluating the model. uh, for evaluating model there is a different patterns and different process are there. For this different metrics are there. For in that metrics rmsc, msc and mai, most of the metrics are there. For from that I use mean absolute error. This is 4.18385 continuation. and this is my mean absolute error. Thank you. This is my project.